Good day everyone, Best Ever Toy TV here. We have a two-part special video for you today, guys. And the first part here is the Hot Wheels news. So these are new cars from Hot Wheels. Check this one out. This is the new Door Slammer series. 5 cars all in all great cars, and these are the cars in this set. We have the 721 Porsche 911. It is a Magnus Series theme car. Alfa Romeo Giulia Sprint GTA. 721 Datsun 510. Quite famous casting here. And it is back. We have the BMW 2002. And lastly, very beautiful 70 Ford Escort RS 1600. And that Ford Escort really looks good. And we have a new mystery pack coming soon. Example of that car here, we have the Ford GT LM. This one is sweet here in silver, and yeah, I think this is an exclusive car for the mystery pack series. So 12 cars on all in all. Check out the cars here. Funny car, Acura NSX, Ford GT, lots of great cars. Yeah, you can pause this part of the video to check out what cars are included in the new mystery model series coming soon. Yeah, for me, I will definitely, if I can find it, I will definitely get the Ford GT and the Acura NSX. Both cars really look good. So speaking of the Acura NSX, so this is the real, not a prototype, but the finished product, finished car. So it's really good that Hot Wheels has introduced back this casting. I haven't seen this model of the NSX in quite a while, and it's good that it is now back in white with that green, red, black tempo. It really looks good. I'm not quite sure about the rims though. I think they could do better, but it still looks good. And here is a Ford GT, also a fantastic car, fantastic casting. I love Ford GTs, and here it is. That is just a sweet casting. Everything looks good. I love the big spoiler right there at the back. The spoiler is made of die-cast metal, and yeah, this is just good. And you know, Ford GTs, if you like to race your Hot Wheels, they perform really great in tracks. So next set here, next car, check this one out. The real picture of the Evolution with the Advan Deco. So thank you, Amar Hot Wheels, for that picture. And here is the new Ford Escort from the Hot Wheels ID series. I think the Escort from the ID series is the best looking car in all of the ID series cars. And some new Team Transport cars here. This is the complete set of the Team Transport series cars. And check out the new ones here. Mazda. And we have a Porsche and a very beautiful Plymouth that looks good. The Mazda is the best looking of them all for me. And 7 days from now, the Porsche RLC will be released, and better grab that one, guys, if you have the opportunity. That is just a great car. And finally, from the main line here, this is a coming up for 2020. We have a convertible Ford Mustang. Now I must admit that this Mustang here really looks good. Reminds me, to be honest, of those Matchbox casting. Really looks good with the white interior and the blue paint job. Sky blue paint really looks good, matched with the white interior. And finally, a new one out, also coming for 2020. This is the Batplane. So check that one out. Really looks good. I have built a Lego version of this one. I can't wait to have my hands on that. So yeah, we'll now be moving on to part 2 of the video, which is the diecast unboxing, and continue watching, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the first part of the video, which is the Hot Wheels news, and now let's proceed to the second part, which is the diecast unboxing. It's part of our diecast daily videos, and this time we will take a look at this very beautiful 71 Mustang Mach 1 from the Diamonds Are Forever. No, not Diamonds Are Forever, from the Hot Wheels Screen Time series. Fourth car out of 10 cars in the series, and second out of 250 cars for this year. And Diamonds Are Forever, part of the James 1 007 series here. So yeah, let us open now the Ford Mustang Mach 1 and check this one out. I really love this casting. I really don't collect Mustangs that much, but this one looks good. Can't resist this casting. You can see here, really big muscle car. I love the big rear here, and it just goes straight right there and goes here up to the front, which is, I can't explain it properly, but yeah, just look at the shape of the car. It really looks good. So the rims here, some say they don't like these rims, but for me, yeah, I wish Hot Wheels did better on the rims. Yeah, but you can swap this one. Front here, no details on the headlight, which kind of suck. Same here at the side. Okay, so at the side it says here Mach 1, the side 2, and it has this black and silver stripe down below. At the back though, it has details. So they detailed the tail light and this part here. It has this low profile spoiler right there. Yeah, overall it really looks good. The interior is also red. Yeah, love this casting, love this car. Not too much with this rims. I hope they did better with the rims here, but overall a really great job for Hot Wheels, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please subscribe to our channel, Best Ever Toy TV. And before I forget, guys, yeah, I was supposed to upload my restoration video last week, but I was really busy, and here it is. It's far from finished. I left this for a couple of days and I have to redo this. The paint stripper has already dried up. So yeah, so I still have to redo that, and I'm still thinking what color I'll put on this car. I'll still be using the stock rims. Maybe I'll just do this like this, make it Zamac, detail the headlights. What do you think? So again, thank you guys for watching. See you soon. Bye bye, guys. Enjoy the rest of the day. Peace out, guys. Bye bye.